If you are low on space but don't want that to hold you back from having a premium set of cookware, let me introduce you to this 6-piece set from CHEFWIN. Now, full disclosure, this video is sponsored, but my opinions are my own, and I've been testing CHEFWIN for the past week. I am so impressed. Let me show you exactly what you get in this set and what you really need to know. Now, this set comes with 4 different pans. These pans are all stainless steel, and not just any stainless steel, they are premium 316 stainless steel on the top surface, and then they are 5-ply. Starting with that 316 stainless steel, they then have 3 different layers of different types of aluminum, and they end with stainless steel on the exterior. That 3.5 millimeter section of metal helps a lot with managing heat, giving you that beautiful even cook you want, and retaining heat when you're moving on and off the stovetop. So really, really fantastic cookware there. And then these all use the same handle. Now, it's a little funny to do when it's not on the stovetop, but the handle is really, really nice to hold on to. It doesn't let go of the pan at all. And then when you want it to let go of the pan, you're going to unlock it and hit this button, and then it just snaps right off. It has these really nice little grippies here, and so it's really easy to snap back onto whichever pan you are using. So whether you're cooking with just a single pan and just leave the handle on all the time, or you're cooking with multiple pans, so you need to pop the handle off and switch it to pan, it's really quite easy to do, and I have found no issues with this. I also find that most meals I make are single pan meals, so that makes it pretty convenient too. Now let me get to the 4 different pans you get and the lid. So these pans, I've already talked about the metal, but the 4 different types are all different sizes with slightly different structure. Now this one is your 8.6-inch saute pan. It's about 2 inches tall, and in it, it actually has measurements up to 1.5 liters. So you can really use this for frying or any type of liquids you want to put in it. It's a great small go-to pan. The next one is your 9.4-inch skillet. This is not nearly as tall, and it has a much nicer edge to it, much better for things like omelets or anything where you want to do that light fry, really be able to get around it. This is definitely a go-to pan, clean and beautiful all around. And then you get the 10.2-inch saute pan, so it has that depth again, those higher walls, and this one does actually go up to 2 liters on its etchings, and they all have this really lovely lip and just beautiful all around. And finally, you have the 11-inch skillet. I have already used this one a couple times, and this one is just lovely. It again is a little lower, and it has a little bit more of a nice side angle to it. Great for basically anything. And then on top of it, you get this universal lid, and this can fit 7 to 12-inch pans. So it's a really nice size. It's actually 12.5 inches, and this section right here is about 8.5 inches. It is breathable, but that's really kind of perfect. It's not breathable enough that there isn't going to be some steam retention inside. It's just going to hold that beautiful pocket and then have a little steam come out the top instead of along the edges. And it has this great handle that's really nice to hold on to, but that also can sit upright when not in use. And it has a hook to hang it on. So this gives you everything you need and will work with all of the pans. Now let me point out some of the pieces that you're going to want to know about this set. First one is that they obviously will show wear and tear over time. The scratches on the bottom are going to build up. I can't do too much about those, but as I cook with them on this side, you can get a little bit of rainbowing, you can burn it, you can get some orange buildup on the side. All sorts of things can happen to stainless steel. The thing I love most about stainless steel is with some steel wool or baking soda or a more abrasive cleaner, you can get these basically back to perfect if you want to. There's really no concern here. There's nothing to damage. And because they're stainless steel, they're also not going to put anything into your foods. You can use this with acidic foods. You really can mistreat these pans and they're going to be fine. They really are going to last a lifetime. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I do want to point out that while the pans themselves are perfect and work beautifully on gas, electric, induction stovetops, and in your oven, this handle is partially plastic. So you would want to take this handle off before you put this in the oven. And one final piece that I figured out while cooking with this is that when the handle is on, the lid isn't going to be as flush as when the handle is off. If I pop this handle off, I can have a very flush lid, and that applies to all of them. So if I'm really cooking and want things to have the lid stay on, I probably won't use the handle as much until I need to move around the pan. But my favorite part about these is really how little space they take up. Because they all stack into each other, this tiny little pile right here, while very heavy, gives you everything you need to make high quality meals and is really going to last you a lifetime. This is an incredible set. CHEFWIN has really impressed me, and I know you're gonna love this.